Hello everyone, today our topic is how to create Fluent CRM contact for ThriveCart purchase. So here our objective is that whenever we get a new purchase in ThriveCart, then we want to use these details and we want to create a new contact in Fluent CRM. For that, we will create an integration between ThriveCart and Fluent CRM. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, we are going to use ThriveCart. In Action application, we are going to use Fluent CRM. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are working with ThriveCart and Fluent CRM. So as we all know, ThriveCart is a page creation platform designed to help create pages and funnels for businesses. As well, it manages the pricing structure and tracking and reporting of sales through those pages. It also provides powerful affiliates functionality and course creation. On the other hand, we have Fluent CRM, which is a self-hosted email marketing automation plugin for WordPress. It manages your leads and customers, email campaigns, learners and affiliate management, and monitor user activities and many more in one place. So here our objective is that whenever a new purchase of a product is made in ThriveCart, then we will capture that purchase details and then we want to create a new contact in Fluent CRM. So for this, we will create an integration between ThriveCart and Fluent CRM. For this, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I will click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now we want to create a new workflow. For that, I will click here on Create Workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I will name it as my objective, which is to create Fluent CRM contact for ThriveCart purchase. And now I will select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I will select Home and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says, when this happens, Action says, do this. So Trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we will set up our Trigger first. And here our Trigger application will be ThriveCart. So I will search for that. I will click here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this tab. And this product purchase will be my trigger event. So I will select this. And I will connect ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And to connect ThriveCart with Pabbly Connect, I have to give a token. So for token, let's go to ThriveCart. Now I will open this and I will go to Settings. Here I will go to API and Webhooks. I will go to API Keys. I will create an API key. Now I have to give a name to my API key, which will be demo. I will click on Create API Key. So this is my token. I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste it here and I will click on Save. So my connection is successful. Now I have to select the product. So for this, let's go back to ThriveCart. I will close this. I will open Products. And here we are going to use this advanced PHP course and this course is in test mode. So we are going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go to Pabbly Connect. So my product is advanced PHP and my product status is test mode. So I'm going to select this. Now I will click on Save and Send Test Request button. Now it is waiting for response. Now to get this response, I will make a test purchase of the advanced PHP course. So I will go back to ThriveCart. I will open this course. I will click here on Get URL. I will click on View Checkout. And this is my purchase page. So I'm going to fill all these details and my first name will be dummy, last name will be user, email will be dummyuser@pablitudes.com. I will give a random phone number. Now I have to give an address, so my address will be random, city will be Bhopal, state will be MP, and I will give a random pin code. So these are my purchase details. So I'm gonna click on continue. Now I have to do the payment. So I'm going to make a test payment. So I will copy this card number. I will paste it here and I will give a random expiry date, which will be 02/30, and I will give a random CVV. I will click on complete order. So my purchase is successful and I have created this test purchase. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have the response. So my purchase name is Advanced PHP and my customer name is dummy user, and this is the email address dummyuser@pablitudes.com, and the state is MP. This is the random pin code, and the city is Bhopal, and the address is random, and this is the random phone number. So these are the details of the purchase. Now what I want is, I want to use these details and I want to create a new contact in FluentCRM. For that, I will set up my action, and for that I will open this and I will search for my action application, which is FluentCRM. I will select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and create a contact will be my action event. I will connect this. I will click on add new connection, and to connect FluentCRM with Pabbly Connect, I have to give username, password and site URL. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So these are my username and password. Now for the site URL, I will go back to FluentCRM. Here in this URL, we have this site URL. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect. I will paste it here. And after this VP3, I'm going to clear this. So this is my site URL. I'm going to click on save. So my connection is successful. Now we have these details. So these are the details of creating a new contact. So I have to fill all these details. So I'm going to map all these details and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tab, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So first I'm going to map this first name. So for this, I'm going to click here. I will open this response and here I will search for first name. So this is my first name. I'm going to select this. Similarly, I will map the last name. Now the email address, phone number. Now if you have a date of birth, you can fill that too. I don't have date of birth, so I'm going to leave this. Now I have to select a status. So I will open this tab. And I'm going to create a subscriber. So I'm going to click on subscribed. Now I have to give an address. So I will open this. So I will map my address first. Now I will give the city. Now I will map the state. And I will give a pin code. Now what I want is, I want to add this contact in a particular list. So for that, I will select my list, which is paid customers. So I'm gonna add this contact in this paid customers list. So I will select this. And I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So here we have this response. So the message says successfully added the subscriber. So we have created this contact and the subscriber in our FluentCRM. So these are the details of the contact. Now to check this, let's go to FluentCRM. Here I will go to this lists and I will open this paid customer list. And here we have added this new contact, which is dummy user. I'm going to open this. The first name is dummy, last name is user, and this is the email address dummyuser@pablitudes.com, and this is the random phone number, and the address is random, city is Bhopal, and state is MP, and this is the random pin code. So these are the details of the purchase that we have made in ThriveCart, and we have used these details to create a new contact in FluentCRM, and this is happening automatically. So whenever a new purchase is made in ThriveCart, a new contact will be created in FluentCRM. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between ThriveCart and FluentCRM. So whenever a new product is purchased in ThriveCart, then a new contact is created in FluentCRM automatically. So let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application was ThriveCart, and our trigger event was product purchase. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was FluentCRM, and our action event was create a new contact. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.